Hi, I'm Whitney Morgan, Hashimoto's coach, gluten-free warrior, and creator of the Thyroid Reboot Method and the Gluten Gauntlet mini course. When you're working to reverse your Hashimoto's and to get rid of crappy thyroid symptoms, it's best to have a team to help you get there. And your doctor is a very important member of that team. Unfortunately, many women wind up feeling unheard and unsupported by their doctors, but it doesn't have to be that way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 questions you should ask your doctor to foster a more equal relationship and to position yourself solidly as the team captain. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I've worked with many women with Hashimoto's, and in my opinion, those who get the best outcomes are those who have very constructive and collaborative relationships with their doctors. Part of creating that dynamic is to set the right tone from the get-go. In my opinion, the best way to do this is to have a conversation with your doctor that includes 4 simple yet critical questions. But before you jump right into questioning your doctor, set the stage by letting your doctor know that your diagnosis has inspired you to be more proactive about your health. Let your doctor know that in addition to taking your thyroid medication, you're going to be making some significant dietary and lifestyle changes with the help of your health coach that will support overall thyroid function. Once the stage is set, it's time for your questions. And make sure that you're taking notes of what your doctor is telling you so that you can share that information with your health coach. Question number 1. Do you have patients who are taking a T3 medication in addition to their throid or levothyroxine? Question number 2. What's your opinion of naturally desiccated thyroid products like Armour and throid? Question number 3. Are you comfortable using functional medicine reference ranges instead of the standard reference ranges for assessing my thyroid function? All 3 of these questions indicate to your doctor that you're educating yourself about your options and that your goal is achieving optimal thyroid health. Do you feel like you and your doctor are teammates working toward the same health goals? Drop a thumbs up emoji in the comments for yes, or a thumbs down in the comments for no. Okay, 4th and final question. In addition to watching my TSH levels, are you open to ordering free T4, free T3, reverse T3, and thyroid antibodies every time we check my thyroid? Now, this last question lets your doctor know that you want to be in the driver's seat when it comes to monitoring your thyroid. Don't misunderstand me. Your doctor's expertise is essential and should never be discounted. Having said that, you'll benefit more from that expertise if you establish a collaborative relationship. Restoring your thyroid function isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, and you need experts in your corner to help you get the job done. If you're ready to add a functional medicine health coach to your team, schedule a call with me today and let's see if we're a good fit. Just click on my scheduling link in the video notes. If you're watching the replay on Instagram, just head to my bio link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can let me know by liking it, subscribing to my channel, or sharing this video with a friend who has Hashimoto's. As always, if you have questions, just leave them in the comments. I do my best to answer each one. I'll see you next time. Bye.